Look at these. Little Milwaukee fastbacks. Yep. Yeah. That's some cool stuff. Yeah. Huh? I can't hear you. Nope, gotta walk. Oh man. Hmm? Let's look at these. Pencils. Yeah. Hey, how are you, man? Let's come this way. Good day so far.
Huh?
You having a good day so far?
Well, so much stuff going on with craft shows and stuff, you know.
Craft
A lot of
shows?
craft shows.
Oh, crafts, man.
I call them crap shows, but they're
Yeah.
craft shows.
I could understand that, yeah. 89?
There's an 80 here. 80 here, I think. I don't know what this one is. Oh, 85.
5. Just one coin?
Huh?
Just one coin?
No, 6.
Oh, there's 6 in there?
Yeah. That's in the packet.
JC, Mounted Jar. Hello, everybody. Let's take a look here of this for $1. By all means, this for $1 is a deal and a half, guys. Look at that, 2012. And what is that, a D? So January, A, B, C, D, January, February, March, April 2012. But check this out, guys. This is not just a regular Zippo. This is an Armor Zippo. Armor Zippos are more expensive and they are way more firm. And it's got this coating here that's, I don't think this coating is specific to the Armor. I think the Armor specifically is thicker. Let's see if this matches up. Yep. D 2012 Zippo. So that matches up. So this is about like a $40 Zippo. And it's just stuck. And let's see why it's stuck. Could be that right there is just needing a flint. And maybe we'll just need to pull out the wick and clip it. Well, I got jacked on this, guys, because I love to collect old keys. So when I saw this, I bought it and I paid $5 for it. But when I really paid attention to it, when I got back in the car, it says You can't really see it. It says happiness on it. There you go. Happiness. So it's just a fake key. So I'll just end up hanging it somewhere, but yeah. And I got this for $2, which I thought this was cool for $2 because I think this is, I know it's old, older, maybe like 25 years old, and it seems to be working okay, and it is a Gerber 450. Broken tip. I won't be working on that today because one of the kids is watching this USA Easy Out, so that's pretty awesome. This is loose, but that's not bad. What I pay? $2. I'll fix that up, and I'll tote it too. So that's pretty cool. But I do have time now. One of the older kids is watching the baby for just a second, and then everybody has something to do. So I just have a quick. Excuse me. Oh, let's see what we need. Can you guys see? Can you guys see what I'm doing? Yeah, that's all it needs is a flint, guys. So I have some flints. Oh, look what I'm toting in my pocket today. It's the Richter slip with that nice jackknife. Oh yeah. So that's a good tote, folks. I love these jackknives, man. I think that's going to be my thing. Jackknives. All right, where were we? Getting out one of these. There we go. That should be easy enough just to get that in there. Ooh, look at that sponge. Wow, look down in there too. No need to replace any of that. Let's see. Well, there we go. Not bad for $2. Shee. I love it. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Mount a jar.